What will your kitchen look like in 15 years' time? Nobilia. A good all-rounder and fully functional. At Nobilia, we don't leave quality to chance. Because for us, reliability comes with the brand. And that applies to furniture, modules and materials. Before the manufacturing process starts, we carry out comprehensive testing in our own laboratory. We manufacture to our own strict standards, which often exceed general industry standards. Only prototypes which have qualified in all disciplines go forward into production. Which for us means quality right from the start.